Yes, welcome back after few days. Dear children, we have number system. In this number system, in the present scenario, dear children, we are in the age of decimal number system. First called decimal number system. Dear children, in decimal number system, we use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits used in decimal number system. All the numbers formed with the help of these digits only. This is called decimal number system. And you remember, in decimal number system, the place value is very important. Suppose you have a number 7859. What do you mean of this? The place value of 7 is 1000. So you say 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 into plus 9 into 10 to the power 0. This is the place value chart for a number in decimal number system. Suppose you have decimal number 785.9. Then what happened? 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 1. This is the place value for the decimal number. This is called decimal number system. Dear children, we convert this decimal number system in the language of computer, that is binary system. What is binary system? So today we discuss the conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. In binary number system, we have only two digits. 0 and 1. Its base is 0, 1. Every number is written in form of 0, 1. This is called coding language. That is known as computer language. Any number written in form of 0 and 1. This is called binary number system. So what is the binary number system? In this system, we have two digits. These two digits are called bits. They are called bits. We convert all the numbers in form of binary number. How you convert the number? See, if you have the number 0, number in decimal form, decimal system, and in binary system. This 0 is written as 0 only, 1 is 1. What happened for 2? My dear children, to convert this 2, we use a process. We divide 2 with 2. 2 को 2 से divide करिए. Write quotient here. 2 1 या 2 and remainder here. You write quotient here and remainder here. Divide करने पर quotient यहाँ लिखिए, remainder यहाँ. 2 1 या 2. What is remainder? 0. Again 2 से divide करिए. Quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Then you write in this way. This is 2 के लिए जो नंबर हुआ वो 10 हुआ. So 2 is written as 10. How you write 3? To write 3 in binary system, 3 को 2 से डिवाइड करिए. Write quotient here and remainder here. 2 1 जा 2. What is remainder? 1. 2 not divided, that is quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Then what is 3? 3 is written as 1 1. So 3 के लिए जो नंबर आएगा 1 1. Similarly you write for 4. 4 के लिए लिखिए. 4 को डिवाइड करें 2 से. 2 2 जा 4, remainder is 0. 2 1 जा 2, remainder is 0. 2 0 1, that is 4 is written as 1 0 0. This is the way by which you convert the decimal numbers in form of, yes, in form of binary number system. So decimal numbers may be written as in binary system in this way. Similarly, you write some large number 7 8 9 10 11 12. ये आपने लिख लिया होगा. So decimal to binary, how you write? Suppose I give an example of, you have 29. You want to write in, this is the decimal number. You want to write in binary number. Then 2 1 जा 2 4 जा divide किया, quotient, here remainder. What is remainder? 1. 2 14 28, 1 remainder. 2 7 जा 14, 0 remainder. 2 3 is 6, 1 remainder. Similarly, you divide 2 1 ja, remainder 1, 2 0, remainder 1. Then what is the number? So the number is 1 1 1. याद रखिएगा, बॉटम से लिखना है 1 1 1 0 1. This is the binary number for 29. Its base is 10, its base is 2. This is the method by which you convert the decimal number in form of binary number. Now how you reverse this process? Suppose you want to, this is the decimal system to binary system. Suppose you want to reverse this process. Suppose you want to reverse this process, that is binary system to decimal system. How you will? You have the number 1 1 0 1 base 2. My dear children, in form of decimal number, you have to write from right hand side. Right hand side से आप लिखिए 1. How many digits after 1? 2 to 4. That is 1 into 2 to the power 4. इस 1 के बाद आपको जो डिजिट है वो 4 है. फिर प्लस इस 1 के बाद 2 3 डिजिट्स हैं, प्लस इस वाले 1 के बाद 2 डिजिट्स हैं, इस वाले 0 के बाद 1 डिजिट है, प्लस 1 into 2 to the power 0. See what happened. This is 16, this is 8, this is 4, this is 0, and this is 1. Then this is 29. So this is the way by which you convert binary system to decimal system, and this is the way by which you convert decimal system to binary system. Then you have the multiplication, binary operations, binary arithmetic, addition. After this conversion, you have the binary arithmetic. It may be rough. लिख लिया आपने? Yes. binary arithmetic. What do you mean of binary arithmetic? First operation, addition. My dear children, you remember when you have 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 0. 1. 1 plus 0, it is also 1. 1 plus 1 equal to actually 10. ये 1 कैरी हो जाएगा, 0 आएगा, ये हम कैरी करेंगे, नेक्स्ट डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज द एडिशन. हाउ यू विल ऐड? सी सम एग्जाम्पल. सपोज 1 1 1 added with 1 0 1. 1 plus 1 10. यहां से जो 10 आया 1 कैरी इधर हुआ, अगेन 10. 1 आया कैरी, 1 plus 1 10 and plus 1, that is 11. 1 plus 1 10, 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 कैरी हुआ, यहाँ कुछ नहीं था, 0 plus 1, यहाँ कुछ नहीं था, 0. दैट इज 0 के साथ 1 ऐड हो गया. 1 plus 1 10 plus 0 plus 1 1 and 1 carry हुआ. This is the number. Similarly, you have to solve the other problem. Then you have subtraction. Similarly, you make the subtraction, multiplication. Addition के बाद आपको second operation मिलेगा, subtraction. Similarly, addition, subtraction and division we have. So we discuss in our next video. Till addition you have solved the problem of exercise. Similarly, we can solve the subtraction. How you make the subtraction? See. To make the subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. If you have 0 minus 0, that is 0. 1 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. What you borrow? हमको borrow करना होगा 1 from left digit. One minus 1 is 0. Then whenever you have the number 0 minus 1 with a borrow of 1 from the next left column, we borrow 1 from next column. How we will borrow, I will discuss in example. Similarly, you have multiplication. So whenever you have the subtraction, you remember whenever you have the subtraction, you have such type of calculation. How you subtract, you see some example. Suppose you have the number, you want to subtract 110 and 101. My dear children, 0 minus 1. Whenever you have 0 minus 1, then you borrow 1 from here. So here becomes 0. And this is, then this is 1, and here 0 minus 0, 0, and this is 0. So you get 0 0 1. you check the result by the conversion of this with the help of decimal system also. Now you have multiplication, third operation, multiplication. In multiplication, 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1. It is 0, it is also 0, it is also 0, but it is 1. This is multiplication operation, very easy. You multiplying and see the examples. Similarly, you have division operation. In division operation, you remember 0 is divided by 1. Fourth operation, 0 is divided by 1 and 1 is divided by 1. Other are not defined. This is 0 and this is 1. So on the basis of these operations, you have to solve the exercise 1.2. Please try to solve these questions. Thank you, and give the feedback whether you are able to understand or whether word is visible or not. So this is the today's class. Thank you.